it's been 7 years since we've launched a new denim product. 100% cotton jean made in America without compromise, with cotton from Texas and the Tennessee Delta region, open end, 12 ounce. There's no stretch. It's rugged, it's rigid, it's structured, it's durable, and it's built to last a lifetime. And it's gonna come in one wash and one fit. The straight leg, just like the old school denim was. When you look at those old photos of the steel workers and the farmers, it's got such a great, classic, historic look to it, and we wanted to bring that look to this new heritage jean. This was an idea. We talked about it about a year ago, bringing this to market. And can we bring the American man, the American worker, a blue jean, sub $100? That's 100% cotton. I actually didn't know if it was possible. First thing I did was I talked to our mill, Mount Vernon, and I said, is this possible? And they said, I don't know. I said, well, I need you to make it possible. So we had to source the cotton, we had to weave the fabric, make the denim, cut and sew in our factory in North Carolina, and it is durable. This is like old school heritage cotton, and that's why we're calling it the Heritage Denim Blue Jean, because this is the denim that so many generations of Americans used to build New England and this nation, and we're bringing it back home. Every dollar that's spent goes back into the American supply chain without compromise. Super proud to bring this to life, our heritage cotton jean. Go get it.